Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how you can edit or change thumbnail in your Facebook page and profile. So let's take a look how to do that. Here is the example. You can see right now I open my Facebook profile, and also another tab I open my Facebook page. So right now I already uploaded many video in my Facebook profile. So if I want to edit any of video thumbnail or title, how you can do so? It's really easy and simple. Just simply go on your Facebook profile and then click this down arrow icon more, and then click on videos. And then you will see there will be a new screen will appear. Here you will see in your video section, you will see all the video that you had uploaded in your Facebook profile. So right now, whichever video you want to edit, you can choose the example. I like to edit this video. So just simply click this pen icon, and then you will see there will be option appear. Simply choose this, edit this video. And then you will see there will be a new screen appear. Here you have to, if you want to edit the title, you can easily change the title, whatever title you want. And if you want to change the thumbnail, you can see there will be auto generate 10 thumbnail. You can choose any of them thumbnail, and then you can easily save it. So this is how you can change title or thumbnail in your Facebook profile video. Let me share with you how you can change Facebook page and page video and title. Here you can see right now I'm in my Facebook page, and now I would like to edit my Facebook video in my page. So I'm going to go on videos section, and then you will see all the child video will appear here. Example, I want to edit this video, so I'm going to open this video, and then you have to choose this dot icon, and then you will find here edit video option. Simply choose that, and you can appear. Here you can edit whatever title you want to do, and if you want to also edit the thumbnail, you can do so. Just simply click this thumbnail icon, and then a new screen appear. Here if you want to update a new custom thumbnail, you can add this add image, and it's going to give you option to upload any custom thumbnail. If you want to add if you want to take any thumbnail from your video, you can choose this video frame, and then it will appear all the video, and you can choose any of thumbnail you want to add, and then you can simply click save thumbnail and then click on save. So this is how you can edit a thumbnail and title in your Facebook profile and Facebook page. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.